Have you ever wondered how quantum computing can make you money? Quantum computing, a cutting-edge technology, exploits the strange, mind-bending properties of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that classical computers cannot. Its potential impact spans various industries, from cryptography to drug discovery, creating new opportunities for profit. This revolutionary tech is not just reshaping our world, but also opening up novel avenues for monetary gain. Now, you may be curious about how exactly one can monetize this advanced technology. Stay tuned. First, understand that quantum computing is a powerful tool with applications in many fields. Imagine a world where pharmaceutical companies can accurately predict how drugs will interact with our bodies, or where material scientists can simulate and discover new materials with unprecedented efficiency. This is not science fiction. This is the promise of quantum computing. Beyond healthcare and material science, quantum computing also has transformative potential in finance, where complex simulations and risk assessments can be performed at speeds previously unimaginable. And let's not forget about the possibilities in logistics, where quantum algorithms can optimize routes and schedules in a blink of an eye. These are more than just cool tech trends. They represent real-world opportunities ripe for investment and startup ventures. From pharmaceuticals to finance, the industries that stand to be revolutionized by quantum computing are vast and varied. The ability to tap into these areas and harness the power of quantum computing can be a lucrative venture. Now let's discuss how you can get started. So, how exactly does one make money with quantum computing? Well, the possibilities are as vast as the quantum realm itself. One avenue is to start your own business centered around quantum computing. This could be a consulting firm helping other businesses understand and implement quantum solutions, or a research and development company creating novel quantum technologies. Another way is to invest in quantum computing stocks. As this technology continues to grow and mature, companies leading the charge are likely to see substantial growth in their value. Just remember, investing always comes with risks, so do your due diligence before diving in. If you're more inclined towards the technical side of things, developing quantum computing software could be your golden ticket. With the increasing demand for quantum solutions, there's a growing need for software that can harness the power of these machines. This could involve creating algorithms, developing quantum simulations, or even building quantum-resistant cybersecurity measures. It's worth noting that quantum computing is still in its early stages. As it advances, even more opportunities will arise. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible in this exciting field. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, an investor looking for the next big thing, or a tech whiz with a passion for quantum mechanics, there's a place for you in the quantum revolution. As you can see, quantum computing is not just a fascinating field of study, but also a potential goldmine for those who are willing to invest time and resources into understanding and leveraging it. To summarize, making money with quantum computing involves understanding the technology and its potential applications. Despite being an emerging field, it holds immense potential for profit. The future is quantum, and it may just be your ticket to financial success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech